Hello everybody, this is Tony Magna from Integrated Heights in Southeast Wisconsin. In this video I wanted to demonstrate 5 exercises that you could use specifically to help with lower back pain. Lower back pain is one of the most common things that I see in the acupuncture clinic, and in addition to the Chinese medicine that we practice with the acupuncture and the massage and the cupping, I give my patients exercises to help to serve as their homework in between acupuncture treatments to ultimately help them get better. So there's going to be 5 exercises, 4 are going to be on the ground, 1 is going to be standing at the end, and just follow along. So the first exercise, you're going to lay on your back, okay? And what you're going to do initially is you're going to try to press your lower back into the ground so it's flat. So just as you're laying there, you don't want an arch in your back. And so you're going to squeeze your belly, press your lower back into the ground, and you're going to lift your legs as high as you can. And so the first movement is just a straight leg raise. So you're going to slowly lower your legs down as slow as you can. You can take a breath along the way. Initially, as you lower your legs, your belly is going to start to get really tight. And then you're going to bring your legs straight back up. So you're going to lower it down and then bring it back up. So with this movement, you're going to lower your legs as low as you can before you start to arch your back, okay? And so you're going to lower it down, so we'll do 5 reps. There's 3, come back up. There's 4, come back up. And there's 5. And so make sure you're breathing the whole way. I'm going to do one more with continuous breathing along the way. So if you're going slow with these movements and you're not holding your breath, you're going to obviously run out of air. And so the next exercise, you're going to come on to all 4s. And so this one is called thread the needle. You're going to take your arm and you're going to reach through the opposite arm and you're going to reach up to the ceiling. And so this helps to put a twist into your spine, helps to loosen up the tissues all the way up your spine. So you'll reach through, open up, reach through, open up, and you're watching your hand the entire time, okay? So don't keep your head down this way. Bring your eyes to look at your hand up here, all right? And then we'll go to the other side. Make sure you have a wide enough base. Open up, reach through, open up. And so you may not be able to get this much range of motion, but move to your ability. Slowly and slowly, just continue to try to get the 2 arms lined up over the top, okay? The next one is called the hip circle. You're going to kick your leg straight back, squeeze your glute, and you're going to bend your knee and bring your leg up and over as if you're coming over a hurdle. So this is an external rotation of the leg. Helps to loosen up the muscles in the lower back and the hip. And it just circles around just like that. And then we'll do the other side. 5 reps. 1, kick straight back, bend your knee, bring it up and around. 4, and 5, okay? So that last one was an external rotation of your knee. And so now we're gonna go to an internal rotation. So you're gonna sit on your butt, straighten one leg, you're gonna bend one leg, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring your knee down to the floor and just let your foot roll to the inside of your leg here. And you're going to internally rotate your leg just like this. And so like I said, the last movement was an external rotation, and so this helps to loosen up the muscles along the side of your leg and up into your back as well. We'll go to the other side, straighten one leg, knee down to the floor, just like that. And then if you can do it, try to actually do it alternating just like that. Knee down to the floor, internal knee rotation, okay? And then the last one, like I said, is going to be standing. And what you're going to do, you're going to put your hands on your lower back, which acts as a brace. This is a Chi Gong exercise. And so what you're going to do, you're going to have your head up, you're going to slightly start to push your hips back. You're going to lower yourself down keeping your head up the entire time. Once you get to the bottom, you're gonna tuck your chin, and then before you come back up, you're gonna lift your head, getting your spine straight, and then slowly, slowly bringing yourself back to neutral. So again, it looks like this. Push your hips back, your head is up. Slowly, slowly come on down. Tuck your chin to your chest when you get to the bottom. Lift your head, get your spine straight. Raise your body back up, come to neutral. And on this movement, you should feel a stretch on the back of your leg, which is your hamstring. It's stretching all the muscles in your lower back and your whole posterior chain. We'll do 2 more. Hips back, your head is up, spine is straight, you're breathing the entire time. Tuck your chin at the bottom, lift your head, slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae, you're controlling and getting motor control with all those small muscles in your lower back. Last one. Tuck your chin at the bottom, lift your head, raise your body up, and come to neutral, okay? And so, again, those are a series of 5 exercises that you can combine in efforts to help combat lower back pain. So there's no one exercise that can fix back pain, because there's many, many muscles that connect to your hips and your lower back and your lower spine and your lumbar. So there's no one movement. So it's a series of movement that help to limber up all the muscles in your lower back and your hips. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, send me an email, and thanks for watching.